This is Richard of Mister Quik. I'm a field advisor at Mister Quik. Indianapolis, Indiana is where we're located. As you can see here, this is a temperature and pressure relief valve. As you can see, this unit is from 2005 as we looked it up on their website. You can see where it actually left a burn mark here, which is normal from wear and tear. The TMP's probably got extremely hot. But this one here, as you can see, is actually ran to a drain because there is an accessible drain over here. But code is 6 inches minimum. So you always want to make sure that that TMP drip leg is no more than 6 inches off the floor. A temperature and pressure relief valve, what the purpose of a temperature and pressure relief valve is, kind of what its name is, temperature and pressure relief. So if this heater ever gets too hot, or this gas valve down here it's a thermostat. So if that thermostat is reading excessive temperatures and that pressure has nowhere to go, it's going to relief off this valve here, which is rated for 220 degrees. So with that being said, if this water heater got above that temperature, it's going to release the water and it's going to go down into your drain, and then you need to call Mister Quik. A TMP is very important to every water heater, from tankless, from electric heaters to gas heaters. And the reason being is because if this was not on here back in the 60s and the 50s, I'm sure you guys have seen the commercials, the heater didn't have a pressure relief valve, the heater would actually, it's like a bomb. It's just gonna shoot through your roof because that pressure has nowhere to go. So that's why it's so important to have a temperature and pressure relief valve and make sure it's working properly. Top problems that happen with a TMP, number one, lack of maintenance. Water quality is actually probably number one in my opinion, just because we're number one in the nation. And there's a probe on the back of that reads the temperature just like the gas valve. And if that probe gets all calcified up, it's not going to read its right settings and it may not work, may fail, and then we have major issues.